Welcome to the Tulani Majola YouTube channel. Metric Maths Made Easy. Today's video is about the multiplication table. Multiplication table deals with factors. You're multiplying numbers, factors. And remember, factors is one of the three pillars of mathematics. The other two factors which you need to know, you need to understand, you need to be able to work with are the fractions. Yeah. Where you know there is proper and improper fractions. And then the other one that you need to know will be the exponents. Factors, fractions, and exponents are the three pillars of maths which you need to master for your success in mathematics. If you miss any of these three, mathematics is going to be very hard to you. You will have a problem. So I'm dealing with the factors today. I will deal with the other ones later on. So what is mathematics? Mathematics is the study of the manipulation of real numbers using the arithmetic operations, addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. So we need to know the real numbers, yeah? So which I've dealt with in my previous videos. So now we're moving on now to the generalization. So instead of using like numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're gonna say now we're talking about the X. So like the number line. So we call this one a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a number line representing the real numbers. So real numbers are rational numbers. Real numbers are integers. Real numbers are whole numbers. Real numbers are natural numbers. And real numbers are also irrational numbers. The ones that I said as also sets. They're also called sets. But for now, I don't want to be dealing with all of these. So I will concentrate on the rational numbers. So we represent them by the symbol X. X represents all the rational numbers. So these rational numbers we're dealing with now is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, the 8, the 9, and the 10. The multiplication table of those numbers. So we represent them on the intercept period notation, interval notation. Is X is an element of 1 and 10. Yeah. So including the square brackets means that the 1 is included, and the square brackets on the other side, the 10 is included. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But also these are rational numbers, the positive rational numbers, which are represented by the integers, the positive integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those positive integers are actually whole numbers greater than 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but less than 11. That's why you put a circle there on 0 and 11. These are also natural numbers, also which are less than 11. Now, multiplication table. So the 1 times multiplication table, 1 times. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4. So usually when you start knowing how to recite, you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is a thing that you know even before you start school. Yeah? And then the even numbers. So the multiplication table of 1 is done. So and then now we go to the even numbers. Even numbers are also like 2 times 1, but 2 times 1 is also, you know it, 1 times 2, because these are communicative numbers. Yeah, communicative law exist, applies here. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8. So the even numbers, say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So this other also, we know it on your lower classes. In fact, the whole multiplication table, you memorize it in your lower classes, the primary school, before you get to high school. But so one way or the other, you forget it. I don't know how. Maybe it's your calculators, we should use them as adding machines. But anyway, the multiplication table of 2, we also know. We don't have to spend much time on it explaining to you. I just want to explain to you the other ones, the difficult ones, which I also want you to memorize by the end of this lesson, so that you got at least one of the pillars of maths for your success, the factors. And then the multiplication table of 5 is same. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, etc. until you can't count no more. So the multiplication table of 5 is also done. It's easy. So now what is left? 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go to 10. Now, multiplication table of 10. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 30. 10 times 4 40. So actually 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120, 130, etc. until you can't count no more. But what happens with the multiplication of 10? All you do is just add a 0. Yeah, say 10 times 1, add a 0 to 1, so it becomes 10. You take 10 times 6, add a 0 to 6, 60. So the multiplication table of 10 is also easy and done. So we've got 1, the multiplication table of 1, multiplication table of 2, the multiplication table of 3, the multiplication table of 10. So we're done with 4. So we need to deal with these other 6 that are left. So now I'm gonna start with the 9, the one of 9, right? Because it's this next easy one also. So 9 times 1, you've got 1 times 9 here, which is 9. Yeah? 9 times 2, you've got 2 times 9 here, which is 18. Okay, 9 times 3 I don't have. But 9 times 5, I've got 5 times 9 here, which is 45. And 9 times 10, I've got 10 times 9 somewhere. 10 times, no, I don't have. 9 times, no, I got, yeah. 10 times 9 is 90, so there is 90. Now, watch. So what's happening here? Got 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah? So what we have? We've got 4 here. So we've got a 2 here, got a 3 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So multiplication table of 9 is also very easy. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 4, 36. 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 7, 63. 9 times 8, 72. 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 10, 90. It's another easy stuff. So, bread and butter. Yeah, so we've got 1, got a 2, got a 3, got a 4, got a 9. So, we left with 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. So, let's deal with 8 now. So, the next one is 8. So, 8 times 1. We've got 1 times 8 somewhere here. There it is 8. 8 times 2, we got 2 times 8 here, which is 16. 8 times 3, nope. They started 10. 8 times 10, got 10 times 8 here, which is 80. 8 times 9, got 9 times 8 here, which is 72. These things are commutative. Yeah? 9 times 8 is same as 8 times 9. And so it's also a 1 there, which you don't write. Yeah, times 1. Yeah. So because 1 is a identity of multiplication. Remember that all the time. Yeah. So and then 8 times 8, okay, fine. Times 7, 10. Or 8 times 5, we got 5 times 8, which is 40. 8 times 5 is 40. Times 3, no, okay. Now, so again, what do we have here? So that got 8, 6. Got a 4, got a 2, 0. Got 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah? So we got 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, and then going down, we are counting again. So numbers, maths is so nice, yeah? So it's a party. So 1, what comes after 1 is 2, what comes after 2 is 3, comes after 4 is 4, comes after 4 is 5, comes after 5 is 6, after 6, 7, and 8. So the table of 8 is actually, yeah, 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 4 is 32. So 8, 6, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6. So the table of 8 is also very easy to memorize. You don't have to stress about that. So now we are done with 8, 9, and 10. We're done with 5, we're done with 2, we're done with 3. We left with 3 and 4, 6 and 7. Right. So now what do we do? So we go say these things are commutative. We've got 3 times 1. We've got 1 times 3 is 3. We've got 2 times 3, 3 times 2 is 6. And then you got, okay, 10. 10 times 3 is 30. Yeah, 10 times 3 is 30. 3 times 9, we've got 9 times 3, 27. And then 3 times 8, we've got 8 times 3 is 24. Got 27, got 6, 5. 3 times 5 is 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. And 3 times 4, got 3. Now, what I want to do, I want to explain actually what is multiplication. Yeah. So because maths is a language. Yeah. So it's not English. It's a language. Maths is a language. So when you say, where is this? 3 times 5 times 3. When you say 5 times 3, yeah, this is actually 5 plus 5 plus 5. So this is successive addition. Successive addition. So multiplication is actually successive addition. So now we say 5 times 3, so we have to add 5 3 times. And then 5 times 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. Similarly, because we say 3 and 5